welcome back to Teacher Kenny's English for Everyone. Hope you've been doing okay. Hope you've been studying. Hope you're learning something. We got all these videos scattered out across the internet. You've got to be learning something. Today I thought we would do another little kind of a beginner listening lesson, okay? Be similar to one I did a few videos ago. We'll have a topic today. Our theme today is going to be animals. And what I'll do, I think it's 15 sentences, but I'm going to say each sentence 2 times at normal speed. Then I'll reveal what the sentence says. Should be fun, okay? And just see how you do. On little simple sentences like this, it may just be one word that gets you all screwed up. It may be some new vocabulary or maybe a word you haven't heard a native speaker say. So that's why we do these videos. So just sit back and enjoy the video, and let's see how good you do. All right? So just stay tuned, and we'll see you in a minute with some sentences. Okay, so here we go with some simple animal sentences for you to listen to. Now remember, like I said in the video, I'm going to say each sentence 2 times, then I'm going to reveal to you what you just heard. Some of them will be really, really easy. Some of them may be a little difficult. You may encounter, some new vocabulary. I don't know. But let's take a look. We're going to go to sentence number 1. And like I said, I'm going to say these 2 times. Here we go. Alligators live in swamps and rivers. Alligators live in swamps and rivers. Sentence number 2. Birds fly in the air. Birds fly in the air. Sentence number 3. Fish live in the water. Fish live in the water. Sentence number 4. Dogs are loyal pets. Dogs are loyal pets. Sentence number 5. Elephants are the largest land animals. Elephants are the largest land animals. Sentence number 6. Penguins live in cold climates. Penguins live in cold climates. Sentence number 7. Cats can be very curious. Cats can be very curious. Sentence number 8. Giraffes eat leaves off trees. Giraffes eat leaves off trees. Sentence number 9. Koala bears live in Australia. Koala bears live in Australia. Sentence number 10. Monkeys swing from trees. Monkeys swing from trees. Sentence number 11. Owls hunt at nighttime. Owls hunt at nighttime. Sentence number 12. Rabbits are small animals. Rabbits are small animals. Sentence number 13. Sharks are predators. Sharks are predators. Sentence number 14. Turtles live on land and in water. Turtles live on land and in water. And our last sentence, sentence number 15, wolves live in packs. Wolves live in packs. Okay, now, so you've got 15 sentences you've listened to. You found out after you listen what they are. Keep track and see how many words you missed, okay? So that's kind of it for today's little listening lesson. I hope you're learning something. Just listen really closer anytime the speaker says anything, and it'll get easier and easier every single time. So we'll see you on the next lesson, okay? And you have a great day.